So today we're going to make a number counter effect in Davinci Resolve. Go to the Effects tab and grab the text plus in the timeline. Right-click and open Infusion page. When in Fusion, right-click in here in front of Template in the inspector, then click Edit Controls. A pop-up will appear. Write the control name, counting then number. Then choose Text Page. Since we want only integers, check the integer box. Choose a range to 1000, and I like to put slider control. Then click OK. When you scroll down, you'll see a new control called Counting. With a slider, you can't see the effect yet. So in the text box, right-click and choose Expressions. Now here's the tricky part, so bear with me. Delete this part and write the name as of the node template. Then put a dot, then write our new control Counting and click Enter. Now to add text or signs like $, you need to use double dots. So put $, double dots here and enter. Finally, to animate it, go to frame 0 and keyframe the counting at 0, and to the last frame, keyframe and slide the value to 1000. And that's it. Clean, smooth animated number counter, no plugins, no stress. And if you want to use, again, move it to the power bins. Don't forget to like and subscribe.